What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. This is just going to be a quick tutorial method. A lot of you guys enjoyed my videos about how to use buy orders, so I want to give you guys a video about how to use your sell orders for in case you guys own shares but you guys want to sell your shares using a type of order, and for example using a stop loss order, which many of you may not know yet, but I'm going to teach you how to use that in this video. So if you guys just go ahead and want to click on the company that you are investing in, and you guys want to go ahead and click on sell. If you guys go ahead and click on sell, we move into this page. So this page just tells us how much we want to sell our Time Pharmaceuticals shares for. We do not want to use this method. This method will just sell at the price of market price. So we don't want to use that. We want to use something a little bit more complicated. We want to head over to the top and click on market orders. So once we go ahead and do that, we have all these types of orders. The first market order is just the one we just were at, the last page. It's just a simple one. You guys do not want to click on that. You guys want to head into limit order. So once we click on limit order, I actually taught all you guys how to do this on my last videos about how to buy a stock. This is the exact same thing, but just the opposite. So we'll go ahead and click on limit order. And once we move into that, we see set limit price. So it says here the minimum price that you're willing to sell a Time Pharmaceutical share for, TTMP. So let's say that since at the bottom we see that it's selling for 24 cents at the moment, the market price, I'm saying, you know what, hey, I'm feeling a bit stingy. I'm willing to sell my shares for 26 cents. I want that extra 2 cents. If I'm carrying a bunch of shares on me, little pennies can actually make a huge difference. They can save me hundreds. So I want to be stingy and I want to be putting my shares up to 26 cents a share. I'm like, okay. So I want to go ahead and click continue. So if you guys do not know what these are just saying how long would you like your order to be traded for. I usually just put extended hours because I don't mind if my order gets fulfilled between 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. 6 a.m. is pre-market hours till 6:30, and then about 3 p.m. is after market hours. So if you guys just want to go ahead and click on that, that's what I normally do. It's up to you guys. It's your opinion. It's whatever you like. You guys could just go ahead and click continue. And as you guys see here, Monday at 3 p.m. And then we have a good for 90 days. So this is the order where it expires. So for example, let's say the price never hits 26 cents, the price that I want it at, right? It will cancel it in 90 days if I choose the bottom one. But for this one, it will close and cancel after hours. So the order will just get canceled and I'll have to make a new one. The reason why I like the first one, the reason why I like it being canceled is because a lot of things change. A lot of new things happens. And for example, I don't want my order to be placed in there if it does fulfill my order. I'm not comfortable selling at 26 cents. I'm comfortable selling at 28 or 30 in the future. So that's why I like having it canceled. It's up to you guys. Again, it's your preference. Go ahead and click continue. And this page, it already saves our limit price, as you see there, 26 cents. And it says here that I'm only willing to sell my shares for 26 cents each. So let's go ahead and type in the shares that we want to sell. If you guys do not know how much shares you own, it says right below here, sell TTMP, and it says the shares right below it. It says I own 18,570 shares. So if you guys go ahead and type in 18,570 shares of whatever company or stock you want to trade, it gives me the estimated price at what it's selling for. So if it sells for 26 cents, then that's how much I'm gonna make. Sometimes they sell it for a little bit higher, but they never sell lower because that is your limit price. So that's how do you guys use limit order. And if you guys just want to head back, go ahead and sell again. We'll go into our next one. That was how to use limit order, and we'll go into trailing stop order for our next one. Guys, this is my favorite order to use. The reason why is because I like using this order to set stop losses. So if you guys go ahead and check this out, it says set trail. The definition is to trigger a market sell order if TTMP falls below its highest price by, let's say, 5%, because I like 5%. 5% means that it will be a stop loss. Let's say something bad happened with the company. A news article came out saying that my company is going bankrupt. My company is going to, lose a bunch of money. A lot of investors. It's going downhill. So as soon as the market price reaches about 22 cents, my shares will automatically sell, giving me a loss of only 5%. So as you guys see, whatever percent you fix it on, it will already give you initial stop price. So this is perfect for when you guys want to set stop losses. I usually set my percentage between 5 to 10%. If I'm feeling extra hazy, I put 10%. I'm like, I'm fine if it drops 5%. I'm fine to give it some wiggle room. But if it drops 10% and lower than that, you know what? I'm not going to give it any more wiggle room. I've already lost enough. I'm going to go ahead and fulfill the order and let it sell it. So we'll go ahead and click continue. And as you guys see, this is the same page just saying when you guys want the order to be executed at. Go ahead and click continue. And as the same page here, it just tells you guys how much shares you guys want to sell. Just as a last limit order, it tells us, and it shows us down here below. All you guys want to do again is type in the shares that you own, 18,570 shares, and it tells me how much I will be credited if the order does get fulfilled. Please, 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 even if you guys are day traders, swing traders, long-term investors, you guys should always have a stop loss. This will save you guys in any bad case, so please learn how to use this method. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and move to the other orders. Go ahead and market order. And let's check out to see the stop order, what that means. So we'll go ahead and click on the stop order, and we'll go see what that's all about. So at the top, it says set stop price. And then definition, it says trigger a market sell order if TTMP falls to, let's say, 22 cents. So this is technically the same thing as our last order. It's a stop price. So this is technically as our last order, but the reason why I like the trail one is because it trails our price. This is just why I love it so much. It's in the definition of the order itself. That's just why I love it so much. I like to have that trail order instead of just having a regular set stop loss. If you guys just want to go ahead and click on continue, that means if the market price falls to 22 cents, my order will automatically be fulfilled and I will be credited the shares that are sold. So go ahead and click continue. Everything's the same. It tells me all that good stuff. Everything is good to go. Fill in your shares like we did on last time, and then swipe up to click review, swipe up, and your shares will be sold. And before, guys, we move into the last order, I just want to clarify that the trailing stop order is for huge losses. For example, as you guys see in the picture, it shows you guys that if it's dropping a substantial amount, then the order will most likely be fulfilled. It's trailing the order by about 5%. But if the market price reaches a huge dive in a short amount of time, then the market order will be fulfilled. That's why I like having those orders rather than just a regular stop order. Because the stop order tells me that I want to sell the market price at just a certain price range, right? It's not depending on where the price currently is at. It's just depending if the market price reaches that price, then as well sell at that price. So if you guys do want to set a stop loss, just make sure you guys either learn the stop order or the trailing stop order. I highly recommend if you guys are doing penny stocks, you guys learn how to do the trailing stop order. If you guys are swing or long-term investing, you guys understand how to use the stop order. All right, guys, so we just have one more to go. This is the last market sell order. If you guys want to go ahead and click on market order. So this is a very nice way to average down. It's not a method that I would really use as much because I would just be selling at the price that I want it to sell rather than it just doing it on its own. I feel more comfortable just doing it manually. But if you guys get really comfortable with this order method, go ahead, try it. Just remember where your support and resistance lines are, and copy it from TD Ameritrade and just put it on here. Let's say we want to sell our shares at 22 cents and then move on into our minimum price you'd sell TTMP for, let's say 20 cents. So let's just go ahead and put 20 cents, sorry, not $20, 20 cents like that. Go ahead and click continue. As you guys see here, everything fit just fine. Our limit price is 20 cents and the stop price is at 22 cents. So everything's saved, everything's fulfilled from there. I understand that this order can be a bit confusing if you guys do not know what support and resistance lines are. I highly recommend you guys learn those before you use this order or it'll be extremely confusing. All I recommend is that you guys be comfortable with these three. As long as you guys are comfortable with these three, you guys should be fine. I feel like this one is kind of like, let's say, like expert mode. If you guys want to be extremely into the company that you're investing in. You guys understand the support and you guys understand the resistance line you guys are selling for a company. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please smash that like button. Remember guys, if you have any questions, if I did not go over something, if something did not seem right, just let me know down in the comments. I'll try to answer to the best if I can. I'm sorry if I missed anything. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you guys stay green, and peace out.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin.